Hey everybody, welcome to Squirrels. Come on, visit files about this tuning in. If you guys want to see episode dose of Double Up of the Hook chat stories, please stay tuned. So I am back with part dose of Double Up episode 2, and if you guys want to see episode 1, you have to go back and watch that video. I'm not going to do no backstory, so you're going to have to go and watch it. It's going to be too much, and I don't want this video to be too long, so you're definitely going to have to watch episode 1. I will put it in the iCard above, or I'll put it down in the description bar below, and I'll also try to have it at the end of this video as well, so definitely check it out so you will not miss it, okay? So if you missed it, please pause this video, go to that video, and then come back and watch the rest of it, because yes, this is going to be a little juicy. Let me see something here. All right, so we are back to Hook. The last thing that James said is, that's why I need my dad's gun. And now we are here with episode with the next episode, okay? All right, so here we go. Kate says, "You cannot be serious." "I'm dead serious," James said. James! Sorry, that was a bad choice of words. But trust me, Kate. Trevor is dangerous, see? Okay. But you haven't seen him in so long. First of all, James, let's pause. I thought, are you on the way? Like, are you coming or what? Did you stop to get something to eat? Like, bruh, like, she's over here, you over here talking. I know this is chat stories, but, like, you said you was on your way. You had to go up and get back the gun. Now you still talking. First of all, you're texting and driving. But anyway, I guess, I don't know. But anyway, so it says, but you haven't seen him in so long. Okay, here we go. How do you know what he's like? Okay, this is what Kate says. What if he just want to talk? You know? That's what Kate said. Or what if he took a prank too far? I mean, throwing a rock at your house, like, why? Like, why didn't you call the police? Now you have a broken window. Did you call the police, Kate? Anyway, that was the last episode, so go check why he did that. Kate was like, maybe he just wanted to pretend like you were kids again by switching places. How old are we today? Okay. Are you seriously defending the guy who impersonated me? That's what James said. Took you on a date? Kissed you? Threw a GD rock through your window. Okay, they be cursing here, so you know, I'm just saying the letters here. Okay, good point. But a gun? You're gonna kill him? That's what Kate said. That's not okay. That's not okay. He's angry. He said angry in capital letters. I can feel it. I can't explain. It's just ... Twin tuition? That's what Kate said. That's not a word, Kate. Okay. Twin tuition. It sounds dumb, but yeah. So, yes, he has a feeling. I guess that twin energy type deal. It doesn't sound dumb to me. Thanks. Look, I promise I won't use the gun unless I have to. James, that is weird. It's quiet. James! Are you there yet? It's like, this is what I'm saying. What? James said, what? The car alarm stopped. I think I have to go into the woods to hide from Trevor. Okay, y'all. You going into the woods to hide from Trevor, but you're in the house? You didn't call the police? Kate, what is your problem? Y'all, let me know. Does this story make sense? Kate, you are in danger, and you... Oh, my goodness. This guy is over here throwing rocks at you. At your house. Okay, Kate said, please hurry. I will, but this lock is taking forever to crack. What lock? That's what I'm saying. What lock? What lock? And Kate said, what lock? I'll say, what lock? For the gun safe. My dude. James, so this whole time you texted Kate, but you can't unlock the lock for the gun. Okay. Forget the gun, yeah. Ain't nobody calling the police, though. Okay, whatever. Ain't nobody... Okay. Like, you ain't got a bat or nothing. Like, something like a... You know what I'm saying? A crowbar. But anyway. Kate said, I need you. But we need it, James said. I'm telling you. You don't know what Trevor will do to harm me. This is what James said. Kate put 2 question marks. I think he's jealous that I got to live with my dad. That's what James said. Look, let me keep trying different combos. All right, first of all, this guy don't even know the combination to the gun, to the safe, okay? He's like, I tried my dad's birthday and my birthday already. What about Trevor's birthday? Kate, we're twins. We have the same birthday. Oh, right. Well, hurry. I'm trying to find a place to hide back here. That's what Kate said. All right, so Kate's in the woods. I'm guessing. This is what I'm guessing. Oh, my lock. My lock. Okay. I should have brought some sage to burn. Kate, I don't know about you. Do y'all think Kate about to go? Because it's open. James opened it finally. Praise God. I can't believe it. What? The combo was my mom's birthday. Maybe my dad still loves her. Or maybe he regrets that he couldn't save her or Trevor. Oh, wow. That's really sad. I don't know what to say to make it better, James. There's nothing to say, James says. We're learning from their mistakes. That's what James said. I'm not letting anything happen to you. I hear rustling. Find a place to hide and stay there. Okay. How are you hiding in the woods, Kate? Was this a dumb move? Yes. Very dumb. Kate, this is dumb. Okay. I'm in the car now. Oh, finally, James. After like 20 minutes. This is the 2nd episode. I've got a pistol and 3 rounds. Okay. I'm in a ditch under a tree. Bruh. Oh my gosh, James, what if he's close? Think about something else. I'm at a light. Text me to keep your mind off him. Okay. Well, I guess hearing about your mom and dad, it's reminding me of my mom. Oh, babe, I'm here for you. Thanks. And put a heart emoji. When she died, I think I felt the way your dad might be feeling. Like I couldn't save her. During the first part of my life, I was good at everything. It sounds conceited, but it's true. It's still true. No, not like before. I was on the track team and I had straight A's. That's what Kate said. But when mom's cancer came, none of that mattered anymore. James said, must have been really hard. You must have spent all your time taking care of her. I guess, but it wasn't really like that. It's more like, that's what Kate says. I spent all of my time trying to do anything I could do to make her feel better, to be with her always. And I did it because I loved her. But everything else got ignored. It was even worse after she passed because I was still so focused on her, but she wasn't there to comfort me back. Oh, babe, I'm so sorry. This is what James said. I guess that's why I started to get into seances. People started to call me a freak, but I didn't care. I didn't even realize that no one was talking to me until you came along. James said, how could I not? You're my spooky girl. And James put a ghost face with a ghost emoji with LOL. Haha, you know I love my emojis. Are you still mad? That's what James said. About what? Kate said. That I didn't tell you about Trev. No, I understand why you didn't. It's just... What? That's what James said. You always been there for me when I was dealing with my mom. I wish I could have been there for you when you were dealing with your family issues. You were. You just didn't know. That's what James said. And besides, now I'm going to protect you. Haha, you never act all macho like this. And put like some type of emoji. I mean it though. I'm almost there. Oh, Lord, James. Okay, hurry. She done said hurry like 50 times. 10 minutes later. Oh, Lord, SpongeBob. 10 minutes later. James. Oh. Hello. That's what Kate said. I'm starting to get worried. I'm scared. I'm glad it's daytime, y'all. I hear strange noises, so I'm going to check it out. Please text me back. No, Kate. See, this is the problem. You go check it out, and then... I think it was a fox. Their cries sound like screaming. Oh, Jesus, Lord. The screaming stopped. It's so quiet. Where are you? Kate done sent like 50 messages. James ain't saying... Oh, he said, sorry, my dad called. Oh, I thought Trevor got him. Did you tell him about Trevor? I did. But Kate. Question marks, Kate put. You're not going to believe what he told me. Oh, my God. Yo, what's going on here? I think I can handle it, Kate said. Hurry up and tell me. This fox is freaking me out. Fox? What? Yo, this is crazy. Oh, I don't think it's a fox. That's what James said. Who is it, y'all? Oh my God. He said, well, it's not Trevor. A human couldn't make sounds like that. That's what Kate said. Oh, y'all, I'm really scared. I'm really scared. That's the thing. That's what James said. Kate, my dad told me it wasn't possible that Trevor was following you. So who is this? Okay. Then who was the person I saw who looked exactly like you? Yeah, who was the guy in the red hoodie? I don't know. Wait a minute, James. Didn't James say in the last episode that was Trevor or something like that? Or that could be Trevor? And then she sent him a picture? I'm confused. I'm confused now. I saw him with my own eyes, James. That's what Kate said. James said, Kate, Trevor died 3 months ago. Oh my goodness. So he know his brother died? Oh no! Oh, that's the end of episode 2, y'all. Okay. So we are at the end of episode 2. Kate, James said, Kate, Trevor died 3 months ago. Oh, I'm scared, y'all. My heart jumped when the picture came up. This is the picture over here. All right, so that's the end of episode 2. So episode 3, we're gonna find out. So we all know that Trevor is a ghost. Okay, they're seeing ghosts. So there's a ghost trying to kill Kate and trying to get James, and it's just like it's crazy. So oh goodness, this girl thought it was a fox. Y'all, okay, this is still daylight. I gotta do this in the daytime because Lord Jesus, okay. All right, so y'all, I will be back with episode 3. Let me know what you guys think. Are they gonna get killed? Or are they gonna be safe? I don't know. Double trouble. So let's see what happens, you guys. I hope they're safe, but it's not looking too good. Okay. All right, so episode 3. Please check out episode 1 and check out the videos that's popping up. And you go see episode 1 and then you can catch up. So episode 3 is coming up next. So please stay tuned for that. Trevor is a ghost. Okay, I'll be back, you guys. If you guys have any questions, go to the day. It's close to the day. That's Mark K97. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.